Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a kind and gentle girl named Belle. She loved to read books more than anything else. Every day she would dream of adventures beyond her little village. Belle lived with her father, who was an inventor. One day, her father went on a journey through the forest, but he got lost and found himself at a mysterious castle. Inside, he was surprised to see a grand hall filled with magic. But suddenly, a fearsome beast appeared. The beast was tall and strong, with sharp claws and a deep voice. He was angry that a stranger had entered his castle. "You must stay here forever," the beast told Belle's father. When Belle heard what happened, she bravely went to the castle to save him. "Please," Belle said, "take me instead. Let my father go free." The beast agreed. He let Belle's father go, and Belle stayed at the castle. At first, the beast was quiet and gruff, but as the days passed, Belle saw that he was kind and gentle inside. They spent time together reading books, talking, and walking in the garden. Slowly, they became friends. One evening, the beast showed Belle a magical mirror. "You can see anything you wish," he told her. Belle looked into the mirror and saw her father, sick and alone. "Please let me go to him," Belle begged. The beast nodded sadly. "Go to him," he said. "You are free." Belle hurried home to care for her father, but in the village the people had heard stories of the beast. Led by a man named Gaston, they marched to the castle to attack him. Belle rushed after them. She arrived just in time to stop them. "He's not a monster," she cried. "He's kind and good." But the beast was hurt in the battle. Belle ran to him and held his paw. "Please don't leave me," she whispered, tears in her eyes. "I love you." At that moment, something magical happened. A bright light surrounded the beast. Slowly, he began to change. The claws and fur disappeared. He became a handsome prince. The spell was broken because someone had loved him despite his looks. The castle filled with light and joy again. The prince and Belle danced under the stars, surrounded by friends, love, and magic. And so, Belle and the prince lived happily ever after.